Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CNC Design Guide. Today we will discuss about the basic interface of Adobe Illustrator which we will use in future for making designs for our CNC plasma cutting machines. Okay, I have a version of Adobe Illustrator 2021. So if I create new, go to this option, it is showing this dialog box. You don't need to select anything. Just go to this option, change the units in which you want to work. Usually, mostly people use millimeters or inches. So it is according to our machine. Don't use pixel points because these are just for designing purposes mainly. But these are good for our CNC machines if you use inches or millimeters. Okay, just select inches, select the width and height. Best way to design is to use the size of your sheet here, width and height of the size. For example, I have a sheet of 20 inches width and its height is just say 10 inches. I'm naming this file as just opening file. Leave all the settings as it is and just click on this create. Okay, now you see you have this white artboard here. In Adobe Illustrator, we call it as artboard. So it is the size of the sheet I just entered, 20 inches by 10 inches. If I click on Alt button and use the scroll of the mouse to zoom in and zoom out, I can see here this gray color. The gray color is my canvas. This is the canvas of the Adobe Illustrator with very different dimension, and this white is our artboard on which we will make the designs, and it is as as the size of our sheet. Okay, now if you look at the left side of Adobe Illustrator interface, you will have the required important tools here. Selection tool, direct selection tool. I will explain the difference in the later videos. The pen tool, how to type the text, circle or rectangle tools here, every tool here. This is the color, black and white, the color of this fill of the shape or color of the stroke of the shape. We will discuss in the later videos. These are also important options here on the right side of the interface. Sometimes you need to align the object. You need to align two different shapes horizontally or vertically, or in some other aspect you need these options: align option, pathfinder, corrector, layers, etc. If you don't see this tab here, just go to this arrow, click. It will expand the panel or concise or collapse the panel. Or if you don't see any of the settings here, just go to this window and you will see all the settings here. Just click on it and it will show on the right side. For example, if I click on this align, I will show the align. I will get the align option here. Just click on align and you see align is highlighted here. So make sure you know how to start. Oh, last option you have to this workspace. Switch workspace. Always use this essential classic. You can create your own workspace. Workspace is just the tools here, these settings here. You can change these settings, these arrangement of these tools here to make your own workspace. But I simply prefer use essential classic. This is the basic interface of Adobe Illustrator, which is perfect for making designs for CNC plasma cutting. Thank you for watching this video. We will cover the next advanced topics in the later videos. Thank you.